Hey lads, TechScanning here. During the last few weeks, we have been hearing a lot about the Xiaomi's upcoming POCO X5 series, and we even got multiple renders that gives us idea of how the phone will look like. However, here comes the exciting part, that alongside the vanilla model, there will also be a POCO X5 Pro version. And luckily a European retailer already speaks out almost all the key details of the Pro variant. So let's get started. According to that, the POCO X5 Pro will be powered by one of the most popular mid-range chipset, the Snapdragon 778G. So it will be a solid upgrade over the POCO X4 Pro with Snapdragon 695. The POCO X5 Pro will be fitted with a 6.67 inches AMOLED display. There is no information about the display panel refresh rate, but most likely it will be a 120Hz panel. Speaking of the cameras, unlike the POCO X4 Pro which featured a quad camera setup, the POCO X5 Pro will have 3 cameras on its back and it will see the same main camera sensor as its predecessor. This means a 108 megapixel camera with a 1 by 1.52 inches sensor size. Xiaomi improved a lot in image processing, so we might see a glimpse of that in the POCO series too, despite using the same camera sensor as last year. Good thing this time we will be able to record 4K videos with up to 30 fps. For the other cameras, there will be an 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro sensor. You will be able to take selfies from 16 megapixel front sensor. The POCO X5 Pro is tipped to come with IP68 water and dust resistance, which is great if it has. But I have a doubt about that as it doesn't seem like what POCO is doing. So there could be an IP53 rating like the POCO X4 Pro. As per the retailers mentioned, there will be 2 memory configurations. So 6GB of RAM with 120GB of storage or 8GB of RAM with 256GB of storage. Thankfully, we can also expand it using microSD card. There will be no changes in the battery department either, so the same 5000 mAh of battery with 67W wired fast charging. As far as the color is concerned, it will be available in blue, black, and of course, how Xiaomi can forget the POCO's iconic yellow color. Moving forward, the mystery surrounding the POCO X5 series is finally solved, and now a recent teaser during a Bollywood movie screening revealed that the POCO X5 lineup will be unveiled on the 6th of February 2023. And if we can recall, OPPO is also likely to unveil its mid-ranger Reno 80 series on the same day. So OPPO and Xiaomi is going 1-on-1. Overall, I would say the POCO X5 Pro is not bringing many changes over its predecessor. However, the inclusion of the Snapdragon 778G chipset will put a great impact on its performance. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below, and please do consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell button. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.